We've just acquired this Mazda 6 SKYACTIV diesel. It's in lovely condition. It's the facelift model. It's in lovely sparkling blue metallic. It's got front park distance control, alloy wheels, rear privacy sun protection glass, roof rails, rear park distance control, rear load cover on the bumper protector. Lovely inside the boot, not used and abused. Luggage cover there, carpet mats. It's really high spec as well. We've got electric windows, electric mirrors. We've got satellite navigation, park distance control, climate control, Bluetooth audio and Bluetooth streaming, 6-speed gearbox, cruise control, lane assist. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.